Hello, I'm Jake. Welcome to Easy English Journey, the podcast. Have you ever thought, I'm learning English, but I still can't speak? Why? Today, I'm going to answer that question. And more importantly, I'm going to teach you 7 powerful methods to speak English fluently. Here's the truth. If you practice with me every day for just 20 minutes, in 60 days you will speak fluent English. That's my guarantee to you. In this video, you will learn exactly how to study, step by step. Clear and simple. If you're ready, let's begin. First, I want to teach you a very important technique, shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing means you listen to someone speaking English and you repeat exactly what they say. You don't stop to think. You don't translate in your mind. You just copy the sound, like an echo. This is one of the best ways to improve speaking and listening at the same time. Let me show you. I'll say a few sentences and you repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. Listening helps me understand better. I practice every day. Shadowing is very effective. Good. That's shadowing. Now, let's learn the 7 methods to become fluent. Now, let's talk about the most important question. How can you actually become fluent in English? Many students tell me, Jake, I want to speak fluently, but I don't know where to start. I'm always busy. I feel nervous when I speak. And I always say, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need the right methods. Today I'm going to give you 7 powerful methods. These methods work. I've seen thousands of students use them successfully. If you use these methods every day for 60 days, you will speak fluent English. That's my promise to you. Let's begin with method number 1. Method number 1. Listen actively every day. Many students say, I listen to English, but I still don't understand. The problem is passive listening. Passive listening means you hear English, but you don't focus. It's like background music. You need active listening. What is active listening? Active listening means you focus on every word. You try to understand the meaning. You pay attention to pronunciation. You really listen. How can you practice active listening? Listen to podcasts like this one. Listen to English videos on YouTube. Watch English movies with subtitles. Listen to English audiobooks, but here's the key. Don't just hear it. Focus on it. Listen for 20 minutes every day. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Understanding 50% is good progress. The more you listen, the more you will understand. Your brain needs time to learn the sounds and patterns of English. Be patient with yourself. Listen every single day. Method number 2. Shadow native speakers. We talked about shadowing already. Now let's practice it together in more detail. When you shadow, you train your mouth, your tongue, and your brain to work together in English. Let me give you some sentences. Repeat after me. I want to improve my English. I practice speaking every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. I feel more confident now. Can you help me with this? Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Excellent. Now, where can you find content for shadowing? You can use this podcast. You can use English movies. You can use TED Talks. You can use English YouTube videos. Here's my advice. Choose content that is not too fast. Start with slow English like this video. Then, as you improve, use faster content. Shadow for 10 to 15 minutes every day. This will make a huge difference in your speaking. Now, method number 3. This one is very important. Students often ask me, Jake, how can I stop translating in my head? I always think in my language first, then translate to English. It's so slow. I understand. This is a common problem. But there's a solution. Method number 3. Think in English. You need to think directly in English. No translation. How can you start thinking in English? Start with simple thoughts. Very simple. When you wake up, think, it's morning. I'm tired. I need coffee. When you eat, think, this food is delicious. I'm hungry. When you walk outside, think, the weather is nice today. The sun is shining. Use simple words, short sentences. Don't try to be perfect. At first, it feels strange. Your brain wants to use your native language. That's normal. But if you practice every day, thinking in English becomes natural. You will stop translating. You will start thinking in English automatically. This is when real fluency begins. Try this every day. Think in English as much as possible. Now here's a method that surprises many students. People say to me, Jake, I don't have anyone to practice with. I live alone. I don't have English-speaking friends. And I always tell them, that's okay. You don't need a partner. You can practice by yourself. Method number 4. Speak to yourself daily. I know this sounds strange, but trust me, it works. How do you speak to yourself? You can describe what you are doing right now. For example, I'm making coffee now. I'm opening the window. I need to go to the store later. You can talk about your day. For example, today I feel happy. I have a lot of work to do. I want to watch a movie tonight. You can ask yourself questions. For example, what should I eat for dinner? Why is this important to me? How can I improve my English faster? You can even practice conversations alone. Imagine you are at a restaurant. Hello, I'd like a table for 2, please. Can I see the menu? I'll have the pasta, please. Thank you very much. This may feel silly at first. I understand, but it really works. Speaking to yourself helps you practice without pressure. No one is judging you. You can make mistakes freely. And here's the best part. You can practice anytime, anywhere. In your room, in your car, while you cook, while you walk. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Now, let's talk about something exciting. Many students ask me, Jake, is there a way to practice English 24/7 even at midnight? Even when I'm alone? Yes, there is a way. Method number 5. Use AI tools. Technology has changed everything. Now you can practice English anytime you want. What AI tools can you use? You can use ChatGPT. You can type in English and ChatGPT will respond. You can ask it to correct your sentences. You can practice conversations with it. You can also use Pi, the AI assistant. Pi has a voice feature. You can speak to Pi and it will speak back. It's like having a conversation partner. Another option is Microsoft Copilot or Google Gemini. These tools are free and available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. How should you use AI tools? Start a simple conversation. For example, say, "Hi, I'm learning English. Can we practice together?" The AI will respond. Then you continue the conversation. You can ask the AI, "Please correct my English. Can you speak slowly and simply with me?" The AI will help you. It will explain words. It will repeat things for you. It will give you examples. It's a safe place to practice. No stress, no pressure, no judgment. Use AI tools for 10 minutes every day. You will be surprised how much it helps. Method number 6. Record yourself speaking. This is a powerful method. Most students never hear themselves speaking English. But when you record yourself, you learn so much. How do you record yourself? Use your phone. It's very simple. Open the voice recorder app. Press record and start speaking. What should you talk about? You can talk about your day. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I had breakfast and went to work. In the evening, I watched a movie with my family. Speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Then stop the recording. Now listen to yourself. What do you notice? Maybe your pronunciation isn't perfect. Maybe you speak too slowly or too fast. Maybe you made some grammar mistakes. That's okay. This is how you learn. When you hear your mistakes, you can fix them. You become aware of your weak points. Here's what I want you to do. Record yourself every week. Keep all your recordings. After 1 month, listen to your first recording again. Then listen to your most recent recording. You will be surprised. You will hear how much you've improved. Your pronunciation is better. Your fluency is better. Your confidence is better. This is very much. Now we come to the final and most important method. Students often tell me, "Jake, I try to study English, but I always give up after a few days. I lose motivation. I don't see results fast enough." I hear this all the time. And I understand. Learning English alone is difficult. But what if you're not alone? What if you have a daily plan and someone guiding you every day? That's why I created this challenge. Method number 7. Join the 60-day challenge. What is the 60-day challenge? It's simple. For the next 60 days, you practice English for 20 minutes every day. Just 20 minutes. You use the methods I taught you today. Day 1. Listen actively for 20 minutes. Day 2. Shadow. A video for 20 minutes. Day 3. Think in English. All day and speak to yourself for 10 minutes. Day 4. Practice with AI tools for 20 minutes day. Record yourself speaking and you keep going. Every single day for 60 days I will help you. I upload a new video every single day on this channel. Every day you will have new content to practice with. Come back every day. Practice with me. Follow the challenge. In 60 days you will speak English fluently and confidently. That's my guarantee to you, but you have to commit. You have to practice every day, not once a week. Not when you feel like it, every single day. Can you do this? Are you ready to commit to 60 days? If yes, subscribe to this channel right now. Join this journey with me. Excellent work, my friend. You made great progress today. You learned 7 powerful methods to speak English fluently. You're building a new skill, step by step, day by day. Here's my promise to you. I upload a new video every single day. If you come back every day and practice for just 20 minutes, in 60 days you will speak fluent English. That's my guarantee. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Join me on this journey. My name is Jake, and this is Easy English Journey, the podcast. Remember, fluency comes from consistency. Practice every day. Believe in yourself. And in 2 months, you'll be amazed at how much you've improved. See you tomorrow, my friend. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing. Take care.